King of King Built Properties. When Jerry Sears came to you and he said, I want a show home in Saddlebrook, and you came and looked at this gorgeous piece of property, what vision came into your head?
Well, sure. There's a little bit of background there, actually, because when Jerry came to me, we didn't really know the piece of property that we were going to build the home on. To start with, he had multiple properties in this area, and we thought, where's going to be the best place for us to build that show home? Because we want to make sure it had great exposure. We wanted to make sure to build something that is really going to use our creative ability. And this lot right here, we just kept coming back to because of the hillside, and we wanted it to feel like a Colorado lodge, and to just look up on this hillside and see what we could accomplish with this piece of property. No question this was the right one.
One of the more unique features of this home is the suspended walkway as you enter the home, which is one of the first things you see. Is that tough to accomplish?
That's very tough to accomplish. There was a lot of engineering that went into that part of this home, and we really felt like it was going to be a great part of this house because of the landscape and the way that this house would sit into the hillside. For us to have a suspended walkway that you've never seen before, I can honestly say that I've never seen a home with a suspended walkway as you enter the front door. And to pull it off on this house, on this property, we felt like it just fit the style that we were trying to accomplish. So it was an exciting part of the home. And
again, outside you're going to see the use of some of the big native rocks when you drive up. So it really sort of makes you feel like this home is just built into the land.
It really is. We kept a lot of the trees in the front because we wanted it to be interesting from the road. So when you pull up, we wanted you to be able to have glimpses of the property and glimpses of the house. But really, we wanted to pique your curiosity as you pull up the hill, and the positioning of the house on this lot was crucial to that. You're going to be wowed by the use of timber and use of materials that we have. We've combined modern design with rustic materials, and that was truly the design of the interior of this house. And you can see that in the fireplace, you know, the design and the shelving and the metal that we've used. We have exposed ductwork inside of the great rooms and the cathedral ceilings. Every little nook and cranny is thought of in this home.
Tell me how big the home is. How many levels?
We've got 3 levels. So we have a downstairs, which is a partially finished basement. We have a main level, and we have an upper level that's an office or an office suite.
Did you say how many square feet?
It's roughly 4,000 square feet.
Tell me about the kitchen, which sort of tends to be the focal point in so many homes. Everybody gathers in the kitchen where the food and drink is.
Well, one of the things that was designed within this home is actually a spillover area, which we call the gathering room, because everyone in their homes right now, they want a lot of space around the kitchen. And so more and more times we're designing huge kitchens or kitchens with gathering rooms to where there's spillover and everybody can feel like they're in the same room. And this home accomplishes that.
Tell me about things like the countertops. What sort of appliances do you envision in here?
Well, the countertops are unique. We have amazing craftsmen that work for us, and between putting up timbers or building mirror frames or whatever it is, one of the things that they're going to do is actually sandwich together oak into a butcher block. We're hand making that, and we're going to install it as our bar back or our bar top, and that's going to be a really neat feature of the house.
Well, from custom ironwork to suspended staircases, it's a beautiful home. Brad King of King Built Properties, thanks for taking time to talk to us. I have a feeling there will be a lot more beautiful homes in Saddlebrook soon to come.
Thank you.